Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'd like to show you what I just picked up. Quite interesting big container with bunch of retro stuff. And actually the one item which really caught my attention, this is the box. VIC-20. And I didn't expect that it's gonna be a system inside. I thought maybe it's an empty box, but I was wrong when I did lift it. Rest stuff, I was not super excited, but when I saw VIC-20, I said to myself, well, I have to get it. And the guy was selling the whole container for one price, pretty much. Yep, it's a VIC-20 in kind of rough condition, yellow, bunch dirt and dust, but it's coming a complete unit with original metal power supply. Unbelievable how heavy that thing. And that oh, it's a video connector, kind of like a amplifier box, whatever. It's using RGB to RF or whatever it's called. Wow, did I put it right? No, I didn't put it right. Yeah, but like I said, still in original box. Oh, even it did come with manual. Ah, that's awesome. Made in Japan. Wow, that's a really loud key. But now, pretty much in my collection, I will have VIC-20 as well. Then I got, it feels pretty light, probably empty. Yeah, empty enclosure, SCSI enclosure for hard drive, CD drive. I got one already like that. To have second one, it never hurt. Okay, then let me get a little bit more comfortable. Then bunch cartridges, and that's for VIC-20. I'm not really sure if this is gonna work on Commodore 64, but now I got VIC-20, which will be really awesome to try it. Jupiter Lander, Gorf, some kind of game or so. Aggressor, Adventureland. I was about, with my dyslexia, sometimes I just spotted the first couple letters and I make the whole name. I was about to say Super Mario. No, it's not Super Mario. It's a Super Expander with a 3K RAM cartridge. Pretty much, yeah. Like I said, it did come. Oh, it's a 8K RAM cartridge. It's nice. Sargon 2. Some kind of fighting game, probably. Choplifter, road race, also a tape, and tape is for what system? It's kind of funny, it doesn't say exactly. It's a 1982 simulator strategy games, Star Defender market, huh? Adventure. Pretty much, guys, yeah, like I said, it comes with bunch, well, not super a lot. Well, it's kind of difficult to say. It's got some tapes. This one is homemade, and I'm not really sure if there's any game on that one. Power cable, 3-pin, nice. Atari joystick, and I believe those Atari joysticks, they do come on Atari 5200 or so. But I'm not 100% positive. I know 2600 is a different joystick. Coco 2. Now, let me. Here's one. It's a probably typing software or something. Let's see. Coaxial cable. These days no one uses it, and that's why probably still brand new in pack, and I'm not gonna use it either. A Wii Pro joystick, or what it's called, Wii U, it will work. USB Type-C cable, nice. Slick stick. Wow. One thing is good about retro, like this stick, right? You hold it, just at that second when you hold it in your hand, you feel it like you are back in early 80s or late 80s. What year? It doesn't look like. No, there is a. No, that's not a year. Sorry, made USA. Wow. These days it's really rare to find anything made USA. Of course, this joystick is not made this day. It's made 40 years ago. Okay, and PC mouse, laser, yellow. It has a lot of mileage. Looks like. Oh, another one. This is slick stick. It's awesome. My knee, my old knee. So better days before. Commodore VIC 1110, 8 RAM, 8K RAM cartridge. I assume it's maybe it is the cartridge itself, and then here you can put it some games or program. No idea. Wow, Atari 65XE. That's nice. I do have couple Ataris STs. I love those. I got bunch Amigas. I love it, Amiga. I really lunatic Amiga. Even back in 80s, 90s, I never owned Amiga, but I love that system right now. Another Atari 400. The keypad. This is a really weird one. Oh, someone did modify it. Probably the cartridge. Make sure it's gonna stay the computer game quick. Well, not really sure if it needed to be there, but let's leave it for now. All around, it's pretty good shape. Oh, it's a 4-player unit. That's awesome. Oh, right there's the bust. Housing is busted a little bit, but it's alright. In next videos or so, I was gonna test it all units and see if they still work. Okay. Then Atari deck player 410, and that's gonna be for Atari 400, and actually it's gonna be even for Atari. Yeah, Atari 65XE also has same port. Yep, it's probably gonna work just fine. I was gonna see if it's still. Oh, the inject button still work. That will be kind of interesting to try it. Also, another cartridge, computer language for Atari 800, 400, and I assume that's gonna be for this guy as well. Oh yeah. Actually, I'm not really sure if it's really made for Atari 65XE. If anyone knows if this cartridge is gonna work, let me know. But probably by the time when you guys are gonna write it reply, I will probably already gonna try it. Okay. Wow, this is a weird one. And actually it's bigger, it's wider. Pretty much it will not fit in the system itself. It's a RAM memory expansion. 48K, 40K, 32K, 24K, 16, 8, and then on the second roll 32, 24, 16. Are there any toggle switches? No. That's weird. No idea what it is. I'm pretty sure it's probably. Oh, you know what? Let's see. What's that? Some kind of program cartridge. 8K RAM cartridge. Machine language monitor cartridge. Yeah, and that's a game have to be Alien. This guy probably it's meant to work with this adapter. Uh-oh. I hope I'm not gonna break it anything. Yeah, because this cartridge will not fit in the housing. I mean in the system itself. I'm sorry guys. Then another tape. Oh, it have to be with VIC 20 because Galactic Conquest. Required 8K memory expansion. It's probably for week 20. Then it does have that box with 5.25 floppies. Well, some of them blank, some of them has handwriting similar to mine, chicken scratch, which no one can read it. Since box has only Atari and Commodore, if it have to be probably for one of those systems. Oh, it did come with floppy drive. Oh, the floppy drive is really weird brand, Blue Chip. Never heard that one before. 5.25 drive. And by those connectors, it looks like it's probably for Commodore 64 or so. It's a 6-pin DIN connector. Power supply, it's really weird one. 4-pin. I never saw that one before. Okay, let me put it on this side then. Video cable is no big deal. Oh, video sport by TCR. 4 action games. Wow. Tennis, hockey, squash, solo. This thing is a joke. Well, I don't know if it's a joke or not. It looks really baby toy. I mean, unbelievable. The controllers feels small and cheap. It looks like it's been melted by sarin iron or whatever. I don't know what's going on. Probably in one of those videos we're gonna try it, plug it and see if it actually works. Power and Aim Pro, and there's a selector for selected games. 2-player, look at that, really fancy. RF connector looks like. Okay, then it's a bunch of manuals or some paperwork. VIC-20 6502 machine language monitor. Pretty much it's got some kind of extraction. That's for Gorf manual extraction. Oh, let me rotate it. This one is for chess, adventure game, printer, program 8 cartridge. Pretty much bunch paperwork, user manual for floppy drive. Okay, oh, one more cartridge. Omega Race. That's super. Look like I got probably like 10-15 cartridges for week 20. That's awesome. Especially for the price what I pay, it's really awesome. Super Video Arcade. And I was about to say it's like look like some one of those ColecoVision or so, because I used to have one of those long time ago. But similar controllers, yeah, same thing with 2 buttons. It was sit like that. I don't remember what that system was called. This can be probably some kind like a ColecoVision sold by Sears or so. Back then they always do some slightly modification and called differently. Telegame. That was a lot of stuff. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. In one of next video I was gonna try one of the system, see if work, see if we can bring it back to life. But for this video, for now, pretty much I'm done. It's already what, almost 14 minutes or so. And I really appreciate you guys who stick with me for that long. If you like video, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any new video, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.